Hello! Today I will guide you on how to delete your account. Begin by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner, then select the profile settings. Once you're there, click on the Delete Account button. We value your feedback, so please provide a reason for deleting your account. This information is very important to us. If you have any additional feedback, feel free to share it with us. Once you've done this, confirm the account deletion. Please note that any public Kahoots you've created will remain in the Discover section unless you delete them before deleting your account. All your private Kahoots will be deleted along with your account. You can register a new account with the same email anytime. Thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!